So you will see something like that once the data is imported from the Excel file. So let me go to home. Yeah, so you can see something bifurcation, like this is a canvas, like this is a canvas, this is a field pane, visualization, and a filter pane. So obviously the canvas is the empty white space at the center where the visuals will be made. The field pane contains the different fields of your data set. So you can think of it as the column of your data set. The visualization pane is where you can edit and modify your visualization, like the type of visualization you can select. Even you can edit, format a specific option for the values of your visual. So you can choose any visual from the visualization bar, visualization field. So the last is filter. So in filter you can just you need to drag the column on which you want to apply the filter, and you can perform the filter operation. So this all thing we will going to see one by one in our uh, later sessions. So what I am going to create in a report is I am going to create a sales versus years. So total sales based on a yearly basis. So what I am going to create is I am going to create a bar chart. So what is required? So I just required a sales. So definitely this is sales. So if you just double click on it, so you can see, you can rename it, and once you just select it, you can see here the sales has been, the sales data is starting to load. So it's totally based and depend upon your RAM. You will get the data faster. So you can see this is a sales. So what I want here as well, so you can just see sales is in values because it is a measure. So any measure is there, it will go into values. So now I'm going to select dimension. So you can select dimension, say in my case the dimension will be, say here. So if you see here order date, so in order date there is an drop down, so just you can click on it, and once you click, or else you can just select it. So once you select it, so see the beauty of Power BI, you are just selecting that column and Power BI itself tell you that it is a dimension and it will go under axis. So there is no need to do a drag and drop as well. You just need to select the column name, and Power BI itself determine that where that column should fit, either in axis or either in values. So now you think your visuals and all its text is too small for your eyes. So no worries, you can edit your report. However, for example, you can feel free to enlarge your visuals like this. You can enlarge your visuals as well as you can enlarge the size of the text which are here. So I will just do some basic formatting for enlarging the text of this report. Even in case the filter section is not required, you can just hide it, and in case the field is now not required, you can just hide it. So you can get some extra canvas space to create your report. So this area is also called a report builder. So now let me just go to the formatting section. So once I select this one, you need to select this format. Yeah, this is a format. You just click on format, and in general you will find X position is 10, Y position is 0, width, height, all text. So everything you can see. So these are all formatting options for a bar chart, which we will see in our later session how to work with a bar chart. But right now what I am going to do, I am just going to increase the size of the labels. So let me just do that. So if you want to increase the size of x-axis or y-axis, so you need to know that first. So in my case, I just want to increase the size of x-axis as well as y-axis. You can see this is there is a button. If you just click here, you see the x-axis has been gone. So if you hide it, you can unhide it. So this is now unhide, and you can just go to x-axis, and there are multiple options you will find, which we will see. And this is the color. Currently it is black color. You can change it to anything you want. And in case you want to increase the size, so at the bottom, yes, this is title text size, so you can just increase the size here, whatever size you want based on your requirement. So or else you can just type here size, whatever size you want. Like let's suppose I am taking it till 20, so this is the 20, so you can see here. And moving ahead, you can have much more options. So now if I go for text size also, I will increase it to somewhere, let's suppose 15. 15 is nice. So you can see as I change the color, so you can take dark black as well, so which will be good. And if you move ahead, you can go to custom color as well if you want, but right now I'm making it simple. And just if think it is x-axis is good, now I will move on to y-axis and just increase the size of the text. So it is 9. Let me just make it 15. You can type as well instead if you want to direct, if you have some number in mind, so you can just type it. And I will also increase the size of the title. So currently size is 12, I will make it 20. So you can see the sales, and this is years. So now if you want to increase the size of sales per year, so it will come under title, so that also you can do. So basically this all come under formatting, which we are going to learn in our later session. So let me just show you title also. So you can see here alignment should be middle, and I will make it somewhere around 26. So you can see it looks good. You can do other formatting as well, like change the millions to thousands or billions, so whatever you want you can do. So if you select, you can see the color changes. And there is also one more thing you can see for a better view. So you can see focus mode. So when you click on focus mode, it will enlarge the report, so which will help you to see in a bigger picture. So now once the report is created, there is an also option for drill down. If you click on drill down, this will just go to the next level if in case there is any. So there is also go to next level in the hierarchy, and this is also expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So these are all there if you have multiple hierarchies. So basically by default, if you have a date field as a data type, then it has four levels like year, quarters, month and day. So that's how it works. So let me just go to the, you can see here quarters, month and day. So I don't want all the level, I just want right now year only. So you can easily identify that 2018 has a highest number of sales. So once you go to the 2018 bar, you can see a tooltip that is order data 2018 and the sales value. So this is the report which we have developed sales versus years. And the last step is just to save your report. So I will go to file, and I will click on save, or you can click on save as. So once I click on save, the Power BI file is usually saved as an extension PBIX, Power BI IX. And I just need to give the name of my report, so I will give the name first Power BI report. and I will just click on save. So once you click on save, it will take some time to save the file, and once it is saved, you can see the name, that is first Power BI report. So if you can also go back to the report once you want to disable the focus mode. So in this session we have learned and created our first Power BI report using a Excel file. Thank you.